teaching learning materials. This type of teaching learning material is called fractional board. So this fractional board can be used for the mathematics classes, and it can be used in the class 1 to 5, any classes we can use, no problem. So this is fractional board, and that fractional board, how the teacher will demonstrate this one, they will show this fractional board to students, and first this is on an intact circle. This intact circle we can call it as a one part, and next circle has been divided into two parts, one parts, two parts. So now teacher will demonstrate, then tell this part is called how much fraction. This will be called actually 1 by 2, as it is divided by two parts, so it will be called 1 by 2. Next fraction, this is this circle has been divided into three parts, so the one part will be called as a 1 by 3. This circle divided into four parts, so one part will be called as a 1 by 4. Like that way teacher will demonstrate to the students, and what will develop like this, that way, like that way the students shape, geometrical shape concept will be developed, as well as geometrical shape will be, concept of geometrical shape will be developed, as well as the concept of fraction will also be developed. So this is one of the fractional board related to circle, and same board here also one same board is there. That board, it is related to triangle. So this is one triangle, so this is one part, and this will be called as a 1 by 2, this will be called as a 1 by 3, this will be called as a 1 by 4, as the total triangle has been divided into 1, 2, 3, 4 parts. Okay, so this type of fractional board will develop the students IQ level, it will develop the concept of the geometrical shape as well as fraction. Next, this type of teaching learning material we can use for the nursery to UKG. That group can use this teaching learning material. So what the teacher will do, teacher will first separate it. Okay, now they will mix it. Now they will call one by one students, come and put it in its original place. So first teacher have to demonstrate it, then only student will be able to perform. So first teacher will demonstrate that. So see how many poles are there, only one poles are there, one pole is there. So here one hole is there, one pole, one hole, so they will put here. So like that way they will put here, two poles are there, so two hole, here is the two hole, here two holes are there, so we will put it, they will put it like that. Like that way what will happen, what will develop, this is one type of puzzle games, and their color, they will recognize the color also, they will recognize the shape also, and what will happen, they can their psychomotor development will also take place. This is four holes are there and four poles are there, they will put it, and they can recognize the color also. This is red color, this is blue color, this is yellow color, this is green color, and like that way they will put it. First teacher have to demonstrate this one, and then student will perform. Then teacher have to ask that here color combination is not same, so make it same. So the teacher will give order to the students to make the color combination same. So like that way, this is one type of puzzle games. It can be used for the nursery to UKG. This is one type of teaching learning material which is called shoe tie up. So what is the use of this type of teaching learning material? This can be used for nursery to UKG. Some students are there, they cannot tie their shoes, so it will help to tie their shoe, as well as their psychomotor development will also take place. So first teacher have to open the tie of the lace, and then they will demonstrate how to tie the shoe, and then they will open again, and they will call one by one students, and they will tie that one, and they will remain busy. So like that way psychomotor development will take place, and their IQ level will also take place. So this is the activity related class. Actually CBSE is generally giving emphasis to the do and learn method. So for that type of method, this type of teaching learning materials can be used. That is the matter. Okay, thank you.